How to change your phone number on InDrive app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and for today's video I'll show you guys how can you change your phone number on InDrive app. So it's a very simple procedure. Make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first thing, let's go ahead and check for an update. So for that, head towards your Play Store, and then on the web address and on the search bar type in InDrive. When you type in that, you can see whether the app needs to be updated or not. In my case, I happen to update it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click the update button and wait for a couple of seconds. After the application is completely updated, what next you want to do is open up the InDrive app and then log into your account. When you're logged in, this is how the interface will look like. Now what you need to do is tap the menu bar icon or the try bar icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. When you're on the menu section, you want to go to the settings, and then you could see your information and you can make changes with some other information as well. Since you want to change the phone number, press the phone number option right on top, and then you need to go ahead and enter the other phone number or the secondary phone number that you want to go ahead and add it. And once you've done it, so you'll be receiving a OTP which you need to enter in, and that marks the change of your phone number on your InDrive app. Easy it is to change your phone number on InDrive app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.